Hey everyone, and welcome back. And if you're new, thanks for stopping by. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find real deals using Honey, a Google Chrome extension. Many of you may not be aware, but retailers have been jacking up the prices on items and then applying discounts afterwards just to make it seem as you're saving money when you're really not.
Hey, I heard you're looking for some deals. Well, you better come get them before they run out. Limited time offer.
I'm using Honey now to actually look and check out the price history of the item so I can determine if it's a deal I want to take or if I just want to wait for another time. Alrighty guys, so let's get this party started. First of all, we're going to download the app from Google, the extension. It's Google Honey app. Right here, you'll see it at the Google Chrome store. Click on Add to Chrome. Confirm, add extension. It should download and install automatically and then give us an indication that the installation was a success, and there it is. So this is just the first part, which is the main part, getting it installed, and now let's get to actually utilizing the app to find us some good deals. Now that we got the app installed, we're going to go ahead and check it out and use it here on Amazon. I found this Black Friday deal for this pressure cooker, so let's go ahead and investigate with Honey and see what the prices has been and see if this is an actual 42% sale. So as you see here, the Honey extension shows you there's a price history of 3 price changes. And if you don't see that pop up there, you can also see it here on the right. You get a small summary graph here, but I like to actually click on the price history so we can identify, get 3 months worth of data to see if it's actually a good deal and if we're saving and if it's worth getting. From what I see here, it was around 120-ish and it dropped to $100 and then it got hiked up to around 120. So it's safe to say $69.95 is an actually pretty good deal right now with this particular product. All right, so let's use Honey here to identify if this Rode video mic is actually a good deal. But just from straight up right here, looking at the extension, what it's telling us, 12 price changes. I don't know, but that sounds pretty suspect. So let's go ahead and click on it here and let's look at the price history on this particular microphone. Let's click on past 120 days so we can get a bigger span of time so we can get a better price range. All right, from what looks here, the lowest price it's ever been has been $59.99. And it's went up to as high as $149.99, which is a price that they're saying that it's actually always at. But from what I'm seeing here, seems like at least 99, 100 is the average. Look right here, we got a deal for $68.50. So 99 is the average, but here they are telling us that we're getting 34% off. So this is a particular product that was identified using Honey that it's not really a deal. So it's something we can totally wait on or actually wait till it drops. Before I let you guys go, I want to let you know about another website. It's also an app. It's called CamelCamelCamel, and you can use it to also find deals. You'll get the Amazon prices and you'll find third-party prices as well. And you'll get charts as well. So just wanted to tell you guys about this one. And I hope you liked the video. Make sure to drop a like and hit subscribe if you appreciate the content. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hey, this is Amazon. I heard you're looking to get scammed. Hey, everybody.